बैंकेट हॉल में चांद रात मेले में आए हुए हैं और देखें लोग कितने शौक से इन सारे वेंडर्स से अपनी चीज़ें ले रहे हैं. They've got beautiful stuff to sell. Do come here and there is an arrangement of iftar and dinner as well. Paid arrangement. So you have to pay for the food because nothing is free in the world. और देखें कितने मज़े मज़े कपड़े हैं और रौनक लगी हुई है. आइए और देखें कितना मज़े मज़े की चीज़ें आपका इंतज़ार कर रही हैं. खूबसूरत कपड़े. Wow, look at the jewelry. Look at the jewelry. We are live. You want to say anything?
Please come to Tel Aviv at Chandra Maharaja and have fun with us.
Great, great, good. देखिए कितनी खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी है. हमारे साथ बहुत सारे लोग लाइव आ गए हैं. Do you want to say anything about this event?
It's always awesome.
जी कहिएगा, इसमें कहिए जो
It's always awesome.
And what about tonight?
It's really awesome.
Awesome? Okay, good, 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 good. And हमारे साथ देखिए जी भैया भी खड़े हैं. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
No, best product for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine,
We are
thanks.
live here.
Yeah, that's great. We'll help. We'll love to support you next year. And the kind of advertisement we can do for you, nobody can do that because we are door knockers. So after you're finishing, just come back. I need to talk to you.
Perfect. Great. Thank you. Yeah. And we have the money guy here, the UAE exchange guy. You want to say anything?
Hey, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to be here with you guys. And Eid Mubarak from UAE Exchange and from me.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. And we have Sardarji here as well.
Aisha ji, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Wanna
Love
say
to see
something?
you, our future MLA.
Thank you, ji. Thank you.
All the very best. All the very best.
Thanks, dear.
Best of luck.
Thank
We are
you.
waiting for you.
Perfect. Thank you. And let's move on towards Nahid ji. आप लाइव हैं इस वक्त. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी आज के मेले के बारे में?
It's been good.
कैसा जा रहा है? रौनक है?
हाँ, रौनक है, बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत अच्छी तरह ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. We're very happy.
ग्रेट. हम भी बहुत खुश हैं कि आप लोग यहाँ हैं और बड़े मजे मजे के कपड़े हैं. Let's see what else we have here. Hey, look at the jewelry. You want to say something, Beta? About tonight?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Designer Jewelry is proud to present their handmade jewelry. It's all made by hand and one of a kind in the world. And so come check it out. Designer Jewelry 21 on Facebook.
Perfect. Wow, designer handmade jewelry.
Yep.
Oh, look at this. This is a must buy.
We're having a really good time at Chandra Bazaar today.
Perfect. That's nice. And we have another great vendor here. You are live. You want to say something about the event and everything?
It's great. We're having fun. That's all. What else I can say?
Okay, great. Good, good, good. Let's see what's going on here. Mehnaz जी, आज के event की रूहे रवा मेहनाज.
Thank you. Thank you
Say
so much.
something about this event.
Thank you for everybody who came for our event and really worked hard for 2 months. And this is what we get. So
Wow.
we're very happy.
Great. और अभी जो लोग नहीं आए उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगी आप?
सब जने आइए क्योंकि it's CPI here till 2 AM.
ग्रेट. तो रात 2 बजे तक चल रहा है. खूबसूरत ज्वेलरी बाय मेहनाज. और अभी हम आते हैं देखने. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आज?
नहीं, मेरा क्यों है?
आज चलिए, आपका कुछ भी नहीं. अच्छा चलिए जी. ये देखिए जी, दो बड़ी. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. आप लाइव हैं इसमें. कुछ कहिए आज के इवेंट के बारे में.
हाल चाल है आपका? ठीक ठाक है आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
बहुत खैरियत से, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है जी.
आपने कुछ खरीदा है अभी तक?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं खरीदा. अभी एंट्री हुई है.
ड्यूटी के बारे में.
अभी एंट्री हुई है मेरी.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. और आप बताइए, आप कैसा रहा आज का?
शुक्र है अल्लाह का. ठीक ठाक.
चला. बहुत से लोग आए.
बहुत लोग आए और कुछ खरीदने वाले थे, ज्यादातर देखने वाले भी थे. बस ऐसे मिक्स ही है.
हाँ सही है. ठीक है जी. थैंक यू जी. और ये रीमेक स्टूडियो. वाह. रीमेक स्टूडियो की तरफ से ये
Hair and makeup company.
that was nice.
Are you Raji?
Yeah, you want to say something?
Hi guys, it's Rima from
Sorry.
Remix.
I'm sorry. Yeah,
Hi guys, it's Rima here from Remake Studios. So we're a hair and makeup company here in Edmonton. We do bridal, non-bridal, and everything in between. And we also sell eyelashes. So if you guys wanted to come, you can come grab our eyelashes as well.
Great. And you are selling eyelashes as well? I love these. They make you look prettier.
Yeah.
Wow. And look at this pretty lady. Okay, munching on pizza is okay. Today's birthday. You want to say something about this beautiful event? Whatever
It's
is happening.
amazing here. I love that all the vendors came together to put this together for the community, and Eid Mubarak to all of you from Impressions Photography Morning.
Perfect. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Eid Mubarak.
Please subscribe the channel The Witness and like the video.
Please subscribe the channel The Witness and like the video.
Please subscribe the channel The Witness and like the video.
Please subscribe the channel The Witness and like the video.